Welcome to Smart Explore Kids. Hi kids! Today we're learning about amazing flying vehicles. Let's go! This is an airplane.
Yay! Airplane is a flying vehicle that carries people across cities and countries. Wow! Airplanes zoom through the clouds like giant birds.
This is a helicopter.
Yay! Helicopter can land almost anywhere and is used for rescue and travel. Spin, spin. Its blades make it rise straight up.
This is a rocket.
Yay! Rocket is a powerful machine that blasts into outer space. Boom! It shoots up with fire and smoke.
This is a drone.
Yay! Drone is a small flying machine that takes pictures and videos from the sky. Buzz, buzz. It's like a robot bee in the air.
This is a space shuttle.
Yay! Space Shuttle carries astronauts to space and brings them back home. Wow, it's like a big space bus flying to the stars.
This is a hot air balloon.
Yay! Hot air balloon floats in the sky using hot air. Up, up, and away, like a giant rainbow bubble.
This is a glider.
Yay! Glider flies smoothly without an engine. Shh. It's like a bird gliding silently in the wind.
This is a hang glider.
Yay! Hang glider lets people hang below big wings and fly in the breeze. Whoosh! It feels like you're soaring like Superman.
This is a paraglider.
Yay! Paraglider is like a parachute that glides gently down hills. Wow! The colorful wings make the sky look like a rainbow.
This is a blimp.
Yay! Blimp is a giant airship filled with gas that floats in the sky. Look, it's like a big flying balloon with a cabin underneath.
This is a seaplane.
Yay! Seaplane can land on both water and land. Splash! It's like a flying boat.
This is a biplane.
Yay! Biplane has two wings stacked, one above the other. Zoom, zoom. It looks like an old-timey sky racer.
This is a stealth bomber.
Yay! Stealth bomber is built to fly quietly and stay hidden from radars. Shh. It's like a secret shadow in the sky.
This is a fighter jet.
Yay! Fighter jet is super fast and used by the Air Force. Zoom! It breaks the sound barrier with a roar.
This is a military transport plane.
Yay!
Military transport plane carries soldiers and supplies across long distances. It's like a giant flying truck in the sky.
This is a crop duster.
Yay!
Crop duster sprays medicine or water over farms. Look, it paints the fields with misty clouds.
This is an amphibious plane.
Yay!
Amphibious plane can land on land and water. Splash and zoom, it's a 2-in-1 flyer.
This is a tiltrotor aircraft.
Yay!
Tiltrotor can take off like a helicopter and fly like an airplane. Wow, it's like two vehicles combined into one.
This is a supersonic jet.
Yay!
Supersonic jet flies faster than the speed of sound. Boom! It makes a thunderclap in the sky.
This is an ultralight aircraft.
Yay!
Ultralight aircraft is tiny and can carry 1 or 2 people. It's like a little flying scooter in the sky.
This is a solar-powered plane.
Yay!
Solar-powered plane uses sunlight instead of fuel.
This is a gyrocopter.
Yay!
Gyrocopter looks like a mix of a plane and helicopter.
This is a jetpack.
Yay!
Jetpack is worn like a backpack and lets people fly short distances.
This is a flying car.
Yay!
Flying car can drive on the road and take off into the sky.
This is a hovercraft with wings.
Yay!
Hovercraft with wings glides on air above water and land. It's like floating and flying at the same time.
This is an ornithopter.
Yay!
Ornithopter flies by flapping wings like a bird.
This is a space capsule.
Yay!
Space capsule carries astronauts safely back from space.
This is a Mars drone.
Yay!
Mars drone is a robot flyer exploring the red planet. Beep, beep. It's like a tiny Martian helicopter.
This is a rescue helicopter.
Yay!
Rescue helicopter saves people during floods, fires, and mountains. Its loud blades shout, "Help is here!"
This is an air taxi.
Yay!
Air taxi is a small flying vehicle that carries people across cities. In the future, you may ride one instead of a cab.
Hey, we did it, kids! We learned about 30 awesome flying vehicles today. From airplanes to rockets, from balloons to jetpacks. Which one would you like to ride first?